So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just made the intro and I did everything. I made half of the video in which I was talking about tinting the rear window of this car, and I went to the shop and I talked to him and he quoted me the price, and I was about to tint my windows. Like, this is not my car, this is my friend's car. I reviewed this car a couple of videos ago. I reviewed this car and he just told me to get the rear window tinted because he just wanted to get the rear window tinted. You can see the window, just show me the window. So that is the window which he wants to get tinted, and that is not the case. We are not able to do that because the shop owner he just told me that if we are gonna tint the window, the defogger which is inside the window, inside the mirror, it's just gonna stop working and it won't work, and we have to fix that. We have to replace the window, and it's like a lot. I don't think that is a good idea to get the window tinted right now. So I am going back. I was about to film that video, but I don't have anything to film now, so I'm making this vlog and I'm explaining you guys what happened and why I am not uploading that much. And at this time I am also having my exams. This whole week I have my exams. Today was my third exam and I don't have any time in between the exams. I just have continuously on every single day I have my exams, 5 exams, so I just have to give that. That's the main reason I didn't upload it in the last uploading day. Like day before yesterday I had to upload a video, but I didn't do that because I was studying for my exam and I was just preparing for that. So that's why I wasn't able to film a video for you guys, and I am sorry about that, but I'm gonna try hard. Whether there are my exams or not, I'll try to film videos for you guys and post them on my channel because you guys are entertained by these videos, and I also don't want you guys to hang in the middle and you are not getting any content. I need to work harder for you guys. So I am pretty sure I am gonna film continuously now. Not every single day, but I'll film like on my uploading day. I will definitely upload the videos. So I hope you are not angry with that. So I don't even know what I want to say today. I am just doing this and it's like alright. And I'm just thinking I'm just gonna show you where I am driving and all that. So these are the normal roads at which I drive, and usually I just come to these roads most of the time. Every other day I just come to this road because there is a market and this is almost near to my house. It just takes me like 10 minutes or something like that to come at this place, and it's not that far. So I'm pretty happy with it and I don't have to do anything else. So I don't know if I'm gonna add the intro of the first video which I filmed for the video I was about to film, in which I was gonna get the windows tinted. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I am just filming this and I don't even know what I really want to talk about. I'm saying this again and again, and in the last vlog too I was saying the same thing because I just seriously don't know what to talk about. So yeah, I had a topic in my mind which I was thinking about. Like, do you guys play online games? Like, there was PUBG, it was really famous. I wasn't playing it before too, but did you play that, and what happened in your life when it got banned? Like in India it got banned and you cannot play PUBG in India. You can still play COD in India, but still PUBG was on like a level in India where every single person was just playing PUBG. So I am just thinking, like, what are the things which are happening in your life, and do you feel like lonely without that game? I don't think so, because Among Us have come, so people are just playing Among Us a lot, and I think it is a nice game. I have played it once, I think. Yeah, I have only played it once and it was a nice game. I am thinking of playing that game with cars. Like, I am just working on that plan, what I'm gonna do and how it's gonna take place while I'm gonna play that with my friends in real life. So that would be an entertaining video if I'm gonna film that. Like, I hope you guys have seen hide and seek video which I filmed in real life, where I was playing hide and seek with my friends in our real cars. If you haven't, just go to that video and watch that video because that is an entertaining video. And it was like, I put in a lot of efforts for that video, so you should watch it. It is gonna be entertaining. You guys are gonna get entertained with that video. So I am thinking of making a same kind of video but with Among Us. I have to think of that. It's not easy to think of the things what you are gonna do and how they are gonna take place, but I am seriously thinking about that, and I hope that video will entertain you guys, and it's gonna be an entertaining video and people will like it. So let's see what I'm gonna do. I'm just working on that. But at this time, this whole week, as I told you, I have my exam, so I cannot film like any extra content which is like really good and big. I cannot do that because I have my exams at a really bad timing. Like I have my exam from 2:30 till 4:30. Like yeah, I have online exams, so I have to be at my house, but still, like this timing is the worst time to be. Like I don't like this time, and I don't even know if I am comfortable. I know that I'm not comfortable with this time. Nobody is comfortable because you have to wait for the whole day, and then at 2:30 to 4 you have to give your exam, and after that you don't have enough time to film and edit a video. Like today too, I gave my exam and now I came here and I'm filming this video. Now I have to go back and I have to edit the video and then I have to upload it. So it's really hectic. So I have to do this. Like for you guys, I'm gonna do it, and it's just gonna be fine. I don't think there is any big problem with that. There are so many big problems in other people's lives, so I am pretty much happy that I am able to do this and I can do whatever I want to. So I am thankful for that at least. Yeah, I just don't want to complain in my videos all the time. I just want them to be entertaining rather than I am complaining all the time. I just don't want that. At this time the market is closed because today is Wednesday, so on Wednesday the markets are closed, so that's why there are not a lot of people. So only few people are going here and there. And at this time I have a mask down because I'm filming the video. That's why I have a mask down. Mostly I just have a mask on my nose, and I just don't wreck all the rules that government have made for us. So there are a lot of dumb drivers, as you have seen that guy. He just took a U-turn in front of everyone and he didn't saw that we are coming. He just wants to make a U-turn. There are a lot of dumb and cringe drivers. I just don't know what to say. And if you even try to just say anything to them, they are like, what the hell are you doing? Like they just start cursing you and all that. And it's just like a really bad thing. I just don't like it, so I don't mess up with most of them. And there are a lot of two-wheelers too, like bikers. Like they just like to drive on the right side of the road rather than driving on the left side. Like on these roads you cannot overtake on the right side, but still they are on the right side and they are blocking the car lane. I don't know why they do that, but most of the time they just do that, and that is really irritating. And sometimes I just feel like I am gonna just push him away with the car. I am gonna go over him. Like that is the level of I get when I am just behind them. Like it is really bad. As you can see, this person, like he is just driving in the middle of the road. He should be at the left, but he should be at the left, but he is still driving in the middle of the road. I don't know why, what he is getting with that. I also drive bike on these roads and I never do that. I am always on the left side of the road, and I just try to give as much space as I can to the car drivers, because it is really irritating while you are driving a car and people are just coming in front of you and you are not able to go anywhere. Like it is really irritating. And if you guys also ride bikes and if you are doing the same thing and if you are driving on the right side of the road, just try to drive on the left side, because that would be good for you, for your life, because most of the people can also hit you. Like I'm thinking that, and some people can do this, like they don't even think like what is gonna happen to you, they are just gonna hit you. So you just need to drive on the left side. That would be good. Like you are gonna save your life and you are just gonna give him some time and he's not gonna get angry about that. Because if you just only ride bikes and if you have never driven a car, then you won't know. But if you have driven a car, you will know that it is really irritating when two-wheelers come in front of you, like when bikers come in front of you. That is really irritating. So I hope you got the thing which I was trying to say, and you will do that from now on, and you won't come in front of anyone, like in front of any car, and you won't drive on the right side of the road, because that's too bad. Like that's not the best thing you can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you were able to get something from this video, because I talked about some things and you will just get some information how the people are here and how they like to drive and what you need to do. So thank you guys for watching my video. Just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, because that helps me a lot. Thank you guys. Peace out.